Hello, my name is Jim Brompton. I'm the Canadian brand ambassador for Kase Filters. Today I'm on Kalamalka Lake in the Okanagan Valley in beautiful British Columbia, Canada. We have a bit of a wind today and it's quite chilly out, but nevertheless it's a beautiful day to be out here and to take advantage of the new Kase filter systems and capture some imagery. So today I'm here to talk to you about the Master Kit 3. Comes in two sizes, 77 millimeter and an 82 millimeter, and it's a newly designed system that allows you to take a graduated ND and actually move it up and down in a circular one at that. So this is a completely new system that, in my opinion, is going to take the world by storm. For those people out there that like to shoot with circular filters, this is going to give them some latitude to move that horizon line and to create something in the camera that normally you would have had to think about when you set it up originally, as far as composition is concerned. So this will allow you to capture a wider view of your scene, and then you can slide your grad ND up and down. I'll just show you how it works. So the kit comes with a ring, a magnetic ring that attaches to the front of your lens. So this is a 77 millimeter. It just simply screws on, just like that. And once it's on, it now is ready to accept the magnetic filters and or the holder. So what I like to do is I like to take my polarizer, and I like to put it on the front of my lens first, and then dial it to my liking, and then I'll remove it and put it in the new Master Kit 3 holder. So it just simply attaches to the front like that. It's magnetic, and then I'll take it and dial it to my liking, so I get the color of the sky that I'm looking for, and then I'll actually take it off, and I'll put it into this holder at the same angle. So this is the newly designed holder that I was just talking about. It is a magnetic holder. So now I've taken my polarizer, I've dialed it to what I like. I've now put it into this holder, and this holder simply attaches magnetically, just like that, to the front of my lens. Now I can add an ND in front of that if I like, if I want to be more artistic, or if I'm dealing with something that's moving. Today I'm not going to add an ND. I don't think I need to create movement in the clouds. It's such a beautiful sky. Okay, so this is what I was just talking about. This is the game changer with this new Master 3 holder. It'll take a 95 millimeter filter, a magnetic filter, and it allows you to attach it to the front of this holder. And then it also allows you the opportunity to slide this up and down, so you can get your horizon line where you want it. That's a big bonus in a circular filter system, because before you used to have to, compositionally, you had to take your scene and then figure out where you needed to position that break, especially if you're using a hard grad as opposed to a soft grad like this one is. But nevertheless, this will give you some more opportunities to actually move your graduated ND up and down on this holder, so you can position that horizon line where you would like it. Now I'm going to insert some still photographs just to show you how this works. I'm going to slide it down, and I'm going to show you just how much more light control you can have when it's down at the bottom versus the top, and so on and so forth. I'm also going to shoot this scene without the polarizer and no filters, and then I'm going to add a polarizer and shoot it, and then I'm going to add the grad ND, and I'm going to do that variance up and down, so you can just see how you can control your light. If you're interested in Kase filters, I would invite you to go to my webpage. It's kasefilterscanada.com, and you will find all of these kits available for purchase. Or you can just simply reach out to me if you have any questions, or if you want some more information about the quality of these filters and whether they're in stock or not. I do try to stock an awful lot of these filters so that people don't have to wait, and I will continue to do that in the future. Thank you for your time to watch how this system works with me today, and I'll be posting more down the road. Have a great day.